So in this video, we are going to understand why cybergreen is used in the RT-PCR for the detection of COVID-19. So cybergreen is an asymmetrical cyanide dye. It is used to stain the nucleic acids in molecular biology. The cybergreen family of dyes is produced by molecular probes but nowadays it is owned by the Thermo Fisher Scientific. Cybergreen mainly binds to the double-stranded DNA and it results into DNA dyeing complex best absorbs around 497 nanometer as a blue light and it emits green light at 520 nanometer. The stain preferentially binds to double-stranded DNA but will stain single-stranded DNA also but with lower performance. Cybergreen can also stain RNA with lower performance than single-stranded DNA. If you see the structure of cybergreen, this looks like this only. If you see the mechanism of cybergreen, so as I told you, cybergreen is a dye which stains or which intercalates with the DNA, that is double-stranded DNA, and it gives us fluorescence. If you see this figure, in this figure we can easily observe that this is a double-stranded DNA and this is the cybergreen, and when cybergreen intercalates with the DNA it gives us fluorescence. Okay, now in the PCR the first step is the denaturation. Now due to the denaturation the double-stranded DNA converts into the single-stranded DNA. So here there is no binding of cybergreen or there is no intercalation of cybergreen with the single-stranded DNA. Okay, so when the annealing and the extension happens, the single-stranded DNA means this template will convert to the double-stranded DNA. That time this cybergreen will intercalate with this double-stranded DNA and it gives us fluorescence at 520 nanometer, and this fluorescence detected by the detector in the RT-PCR and it is shown or it is interpreted in the system and in the form of graphs or in the form of values. So this is the simple mechanism of cybergreen in the RT-PCR for the detection of COVID-19. If you see the uses of cybergreen, it finds uses in the areas of biochemistry, molecular biology. It is used as a dye for the quantification of double-stranded DNA in some methods of quantitative PCR. It is also used to visualize DNA in gel electrophoresis. Higher concentrations of cybergreen can be used to stain agar gels in order to visualize the DNA present. In addition to labeling curve pure nucleic acid, cybergreen can also be used for labeling of DNA within cells for flow cytometry and the fluorescence microscopy. In these cases, RNase treatment may be required to reduce the background from RNA in the cells. So this is all about the cybergreen which is used in the RT-PCR for the detection of COVID-19. Thanks a lot.